Hello, my name is Matt, the Disillusioned 1811, and I want to share with you today my solution for a cord management problem on a sliding fridge. The problem that I have is when this fridge slides out, it's great, but when you want to push it back in, the cord catches on the actual slide and pinches. And so, yeah, you can make it work. You got to lean around and sling the cord out of the way, but I wanted to come up with a solution. I did a little research on YouTube and I found that a lot of Australians were using this thing called a cable track right here, and it looks pretty slick. So the power cord would go in there and it rolls and keeps it tight, but the problem with that is you got to cut your power cord and you got to install these plugs along with soldering, and that's a little bit beyond my technical skills. So my workaround is from a company called YakAttack that actually specializes in fishing kayaks accessories, and so they're all T-track type items. And so this GoFastCamper actually has a T-track up on the sleeping platform. So what I did is I got this retractor, as if you were going to retract fishing pliers or clippers or something on the side of the boat that you don't want to have drop over. And so I put this retractor up on the T-track, and so as they pull out the fridge, the cord is pulled out and the retractor gives slack, and then as you slide the fridge back in, the retractor grabs that slack and brings it in tight, keeping my cord out of the fridge slide. Now, one thing to note on this fridge slide is as you pull it out on the deck system, it's mounted on top of a deck system, and if you're interested in how I did that, there's a video right here. And so in order to access the contents, this fridge has to drop down so I can reach in, and also if it was just to slide out horizontally, it would hit the lid of the fridge would hit that. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Maybe cord management isn't such a problem if you're on one flat surface, but probably not. So if you don't have a GoFastCamper, you could probably just get a retractor, some type of retractor from a hardware store, or Google it online, and you could probably just attach it to another point in your truck bed to maybe come up with the solution to your problem if you're having a cord management issue. So yeah, the other thing I discovered is YakAttack has these vertical tie downs that I use, that I put in this T-track, and it's great because I'm using it to secure my my power source for the fridge, which is a Blue Eddy power source. And yeah, it seems to be working pretty good. So if you have a GoFastCamper, these are a couple accessories that you may want to add to your system. So hopefully you learned something today, and if you did and you like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you're into this kind of stuff, I'm building this truck out as a bug out vehicle / adventure mobile, and then I'm going to take it out and do a bunch of adventuring. I'm into trail running. I do Spartan races, particularly the 50Ks, which is an obstacle course race. And yeah, just gonna get out, go camping, go in cool places up in the mountains. If that's something you're into, subscribe. And thanks for watching.